Hi, welcome to our favorite playhouse. Today I'm opening up I'm super headquarters. I'm just so nervous when I get in the camera. I'm nervous when I get so reality when I get other toys. I get type of Minky and stuff. So today we're opening the Marbles Universe Slide playset. We saw it at the studio, so we're gonna see it on potential.
So we're getting ready to take out the Iron Man headquarters toy out of the box now. So this is what it looks like. So it comes with Hulk there. So this is what it's going to look like. We're getting ready to take it out of the box now.
Yes. Riley, can you just take out the box? Riley thinks like it's a chair.
Alright, so after a lot of struggle, untying a whole bunch of strings, cutting things out, we got it out of the box and it looks like this. And Rayla's going to show you all the figures that he has with it. Let's see it. Everything that came with it. What is it?
Iron Man, Hulk, which we already fixed.
Yep, his arms came off, but they were easy to fix them.
Yeah, you just have to snap it on there.
And we got this little motorcycle.
And I'm just going to test out the launcher so you will launch right at the target. It's time to launch. Yep, it works. And let's see this motorcycle work. You see it works for Iron Man. Hope it works perfectly. Hope it works. Iron Man, it's time to go for a spin. It's time to go.
We're going to put them in there.
It's time to go for a spin, Iron Man. It's spin. It's gotta be kidding me. What? Your turbo flip!
Okay, so what do you have?
So we're gonna have Hulk test out the trap door. Okay.
Expand this. See?
Oh,
And
yeah.
it's supposed to be the door. Alright, so this is the little door here. Yep. And so this part is for Spider-Man, so he can like use this to launch. We got our little slide part here. And this is Captain America's part, so it moves like that.
I know I don't supposed to be doing this. But he was really enjoying chilling. Whoa! He's going to go.
And this is Hulk's part, so we just got to get the figures for the other characters with this.
Just snap this so Hulk won't get out. We don't want Hulk to escape. Oh no, Hulk is escaping. I'm just gonna call this jail for Hulk, okay? Look at compared to this. Do it look deep to you compared to this? Is this any funner? So
Wait, how do you get the part to light up? Let's light it up for them really quick.
Oh, this is how you light it up.
Wow, how cool is that?
You have to. And we got the. Can't really focus. Wait, pressing. Is he ooh, a box. Oh.
Nothing?
Not close, I think. I think if I go up close, I think I could hit it. Nothing happened. Okay, no problem.
Okay, let's see.
We did it! We got him. We got him.
So it expands to look like this. Go. Whoa.
Okay. Okay, yes.
Yay, he's in his chamber.
Yes, I knew it. Oh no, he's escaping his chamber.
Okay, let's see what else they have at the bottom here. Oh, just the little details here. I don't know.
Why is Huck going in there? What Huck is? What? Did you know something about? Oh no, Huck, you gotta get out there. Yes.
No, this.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
Okay.
Alright, so put this one on the other side there. Perfect.
Whoa! Did you saw that? Alright. Turn my way. Yes. Gotta look at it. Ooh. I can watch from the tanks.
So it looks like that. That is so cool.
Right now. Take them off.
Yeah.
Just not break it. Come. Stop.
Alright, so we just attached the launcher to the Iron Man figure. And so now we're going to put him where the Captain America is. So close this one.
Okay. Close it down.
Okay, so we're going to put him over here. And we're going to let him launch. How cool is that?
Look at his new arm.
And this is where you store the arms once you're done with them. So
I'm done with this one.
Okay, so you're going to put the other ones on him. I like that because you can snap. Where's his regular arms? Let's show them what it looks like. So pretty much just snapping the pieces onto him.
Ooh.
That's pretty cool.
We gotta go to the doctor. Oh, that's to light up. Ooh.
Go to the other way.
This one?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Booyah! And this slide here adjusts. So let's see, how do we adjust it? So it brings it out, bring it in. You want to do it one more time? Do it one more time for us so we can see it. Go. Nice. There you go. Woo! Okay, that's cool.
It's a girl, don't do it.
Yay! Out of Spider-Man, this is how he would launch off. Okay, let go. Boom. See, like that.
So they can't. Oh no, they're battering! Super triple. Oh, they get down to the wall. Oh no, Huck is going down. What we're gonna do?
I don't know.
Huck seems like gonna. Oh no, Huck is gonna stand up to himself. Oh, Huck is winning. Oh, you thought you could. If you were bigger, stronger, you would win. But you decided to be like me. I'm not. Yeah! Oh, get that car! Yeah! In fact, the normal stuff. Wow! Yeah, my stuff. The toothbrush is the toothbrush bird. Thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe. You want to see you? I'm about to put it in the closet. But thank you for watching. You want to see you? Bye. Right here. Rise Playhouse.